Some of the folders you have may be more important than others, and for those folders you may want to go ahead and keep them in the favorite section. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the folder that you want to keep as favorites, and then simply go ahead. Let's say, for example, over here I have this images. I can simply click and drag it onto the left, and then it simply goes onto the favorite section. As you can see right here, it's as easy as that. So you can see that images is now quickly accessible right here. I can also right click right here and remove it from favorites if I want to. So I may have a bunch of folders right here. So you can see that I got projects. I can simply go ahead and move this in right here. I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, move in the YT shots right here just like this, the raw image folder right here just like this, and then images folder right here just like this, and so forth, just by clicking and dragging it in right here just like that. And that is how you can keep folders inside of the favorite section inside of Adobe Bridge easily. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.